I'm Hasya Rahmat. I'm 12 years old and I go to school at SK Tebing Tembah. I was born on 30th of September 2007 at Sultan Zahra Hospital, Kuala Terengganu. My hobbies are reading and singing. I swim, jog, and I also do taekwondo. I'm a red belt holder actually. My current favorite book has to be The Guardian of the Realm by Elizabeth Adami because it has really cool fantasy aspects towards it and it's really dreamy, brings you to another world. I have 3. It's Wish You Were Gay by Billie Eilish. The second one has to be Adam's Let You Down. It's a rap song. And my tippity top of my list has to be A Million Dreams by Pink. Cause every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. My best friend has to be Adawiya. She has all the great qualities that a best friend could ever ask for. She's kind-hearted, cheeky, playful, all of that stuff. Oh, my headmistress, okay. She is such a kind-hearted person. She has every aspect of a leader that a leader should have. And I love her with all of my heart. History, because history tells us not to repeat our past mistakes. If we want to understand the future, you have to understand the past. Because history repeats itself over and over again. And I really have a longing curiosity towards history. What did we do back then? What are mankind's biggest achievements? Stuff like that. Okay, it's not that much of a hard question, but it has to be when she makes a mess. In my room specifically. She calls my room the creative space. First, she makes her craft, and then she leaves the paper, her excess paper, in my room. And she tells me to clean it. That's the most annoying part. She tells me to clean it. It's not her who should clean it, it's me. Because she says, it's your room, you should clean it. But I love her with all of my heart, even though that's annoying. My source of inspiration would be my grandma. She's my ultimate idol. I still remember her saying that you shouldn't give up on anything, always believe in yourself, go forward, and never look back. A message that I want to say to my friends is that read, because the most successful people in the world make time to read, study, and learn far beyond their grade school years. In turn, they're better thinkers, innovators, and leaders. Me in the next 15 years would be a world-class and inspiring woman geologist and a philanthropist, because I always believe that kindness is the only investment that never fails. My biggest dream ever would be to open a library to rural communities across Malaysia and even the world. Because I always believe that, kindness is the only investment that never fails. And I really want to give these kids a chance to set their eyes open on a new world of knowledge. I hope to achieve this dream in another 15 to 20 years. Thank you.